We're Michael's Bays. Let's go. In 2018 alone, 2.1 million students across the United States took the SAT, hoping for a score high enough to get them into the university of their choice. However, not every student gets the score that they would like due to the lack of opportunity for them to take an SAT prep course. From this, we came up with our research proposal, which is to test the effectiveness of a carefully crafted SAT prep course by our researchers offered in person through Kaplan and determine if it benefits the students and improves their overall scores. So why does it matter? For starters, the SAT is a requirement for many college applications. Higher scores provide students with more options to those schools, and if effective, the prep courses can be used for the students to perform better on the SAT. Our hypothesis is that taking an SAT prep course will help students perform better on the SAT. In order to test the hypothesis, we will focus specifically on high school juniors because during junior year, students are starting to prepare for college by taking high-stakes tests and starting the college application process. Our independent variable is whether or not a student takes the SAT prep course, while our dependent is whether or not the student's scores improve after taking the prep course. Our independent variable conceptualized is a student participating in our SAT prep course and attending classes to help prepare for the exam, while operationalized, it is how many classes they attend and whether or not they attend the class. Our dependent variable conceptualized is an improved SAT score better than the original score they received during the pretest, while operationalized it is a score they received on the new exam. Some threats to internal validity include history, students adding more to their knowledge by learning in their regular classes, and attrition. Students might drop out of the study since the study is being carried out for about a year and conflicts might occur. A threat to external validity might be that of location. A school in a more high-income area is more likely to serve students with a higher socioeconomic status. These students would have access to resources that may help them improve their scores without the class. In order to actually perform the experiment, we will randomize participants between two groups, one that will take the SAT prep course and another that will not. A pretest will then be administered to all participants in the form of the SAT taken at the end of their junior year. A posttest will follow in the form of a retaking of the SAT senior year. Aforementioned threats to our study, that of internal threats, can be avoided through randomized groups and a pretest and posttest, while external threats can be addressed through replicating the study across communities. Confounds can be addressed too with randomized groups. A confound is a factor or variable that has a direct effect or cause on both the independent and dependent variable. A possible confound could be that of funding, in that more affluent schools can afford an SAT prep program while also being able to afford more resources and preparation for higher scores in turn. Knowing all of this, we will know if our results support our hypothesis if students score higher on the SAT after taking the required prep classes.